What's up, everyone? It is Sunday Fun Day on December 15th, almost a week before Christmas. We have almost all our breaks filled, guys, except uh, Team Random for buybacks, baseball break, and the football break. Uh, you want to jump in any break? Those would be the one. I see the famous Alex is there. Yeah, the famous Alex is here. He was on Twitter yesterday on Hometown Hockey. So this is break number 1525. It's a small, quick break. We're gonna run this one first. I'm gonna get the boxes, guys. This is the other side of artifacts. We're gonna number them 1 to 5. This is the other side of the buyback case, guys. And this is the other side of that black diamond case. You guys saw it, that we got it on camera. So we're gonna open these and we're gonna take the boxes out, number them 1 to 5. Same deal like last time. So buybacks. Round 2 of this will be on the website tomorrow at 3 o'clock, guys. And round 3 would also be round 3 will be a double box. Round 2 will be a single, just like this one. So as you see, 1521, when we started it, this is the rest of the boxes from 1521. Same deal, guys. We're going to number them 1 to 5.
Oh, so there's only 3 boxes per break?
This break, yeah, 1, 1, 1.
We're going to hit one wooden team out of this.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first draw is going to be for who gets the Canucks, and then we'll pick the boxes, guys. Good luck.
Well, as long as somebody's in charge, I'm okay. Yeah, Jail's got her.
As long as someone's in charge. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. That's not the right list. Those were just the guys with the extras. We need the whole list. There's Anthony Foster all the way up to Robert Suika. Let's see who gets the Canucks.
Behind you here. Yo, you don't have anything here.
Dale has his own. Oh. Maybe what? Oh, he's in the buybacks random. That is gonna be later on. Okay, guys. So there is Robert Suika with the Anaheim Ducks. It goes all the way down to Jared Cranwell and his Jets. And then these are the double D entries: Robert Suika, Bill Corin, Anthony Foster. Did Jordan Fell get doubled up too? I think Jordan Fell should be doubled up too, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, Jordan should be doubled up as well. I don't know how I missed that. Jordan Fell. Jordan Fell. Everyone else is one team, right? Bill Corin, I got him. There you go, guys. Our dice roll says 6 times. Name on top gets the Canucks. Here we go. 1. Good luck. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6th and final. The Canucks goes to Anthony Foster.
It's like 3 times in a row. But you know what? I've got
Nothing. Yeah, he's got it, but nothing came out of it.
I got maybe a
Let's get the Besser 6 of 6.
Besser 6 of 6. Congrats, Anthony. You get them again. Let's see if this time we can actually get you a Canuck hit. Okay, now let's see what boxes we're getting. 1, 2, 3, or 5 for this round. 3 times the dice roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2. Third and final boxes for this round will be 1. Randomized 3 times. 1. So the top boxes, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5 will be for the other rounds. Yeah. This round is single. Next round will be double. Sorry. This round is single. Round 2 will be single as well. Round 3 would be double. So tomorrow, round 2 will go up for 1-1-1, and then on Tuesday, round 3 will go up for 2-2-2. Okay, buyback at the end. There you go, guys. Alex, I thought you were my assistant. Just put them by the cardboard there. Thank you. Good luck, everyone. And here we go. Oh, there was a tin in this one as well. Paul Roberts is not here to remind me. Let's do that as well, guys, so we don't have to worry about it later on. Let's see who gets the tin. Three times. We gotta take this one off. Okay. Dame on top gets the tin. Good luck. Alex, can you pass me a tin of 1920, please? Alex, can you pass me a tin of 1920? Third and final, the tin goes to James Prosser. Congrats, James Prosser. You are the winner of the tin. Thank you. James, your tin will be here.
Basically, just to try to ice the offense.
Okay, back to the break, guys. Hey, Jeff. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, Joshua. I almost forgot again. You know, from next time, I just got to do bring the tin at the same time so I don't forget. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Our first one is a Blue Jackets redemption. Robert Suika. Johnny Gaudreau to 699. Where's Jax? Why? Wow, what a guy. Jax, shame on you. It's the last Sunday before Christmas. Well, technically. Not technically. Philip Zadina, red, 19 out of 25. Very nice for the Detroit Red Wings. Detroit is Robert Suika again. Nice card there, Robert. Let me just leave that one. Alex, my assistant. I need a pack of thick sleeves and a pack of regular sleeves, please. Thank you. It's yeah, penny sleeves. One regular, one thick, please. Thank you. We'll sleeve that one up. A pink, 80 out of 85, Thomas Hertl for the San Jose Sharks. Vitaly Abramov, Ruby rookie to 399 for Ottawa. Ottawa is Robert Suika. Robert's taking the whole box. Kuzi, we have to get him in every product. Evgeny Kuznetsov, dual jersey to 165. Did you get the thing from Dean?
Oh yeah, I did.
Oh yeah.
I heard somebody else having problems with him.
Yeah. That's why I was like, yeah. Anyways, we'll talk about it later. We got a not bad. Too bad it's not signed. Legacy Stanley, Lord Stanley Legacy Relics for the Washington Capitals. Alex Ovechkin. Yeah. With signature. 218 out of 299. Gold. LA Kings. Drew Doughty. Not the best artifacts box. Okay. Black Diamond time. Good luck, guys. Black Diamond. Box number 1. Nah. Zadina red. Red Orem. Chicago 197 out of 299. Patrick Kane. 10 teams will pretty much hit, right? No diamond in this one, guys. Okay, good luck. Ottawa rookie, sorry, not rookie, 70 out of 99 gold base of Thomas Chabot. Rookie gems 155 out of 399 for the Boston Bruins. Trent Frederick. For the Edmonton Oilers, sparkling scripts, Connor McDavid autograph. Woo! Sick. You know what you need. They bought the Oilers. He said sorry to Bill Cunningham before I opened the break. He's like, tell Bill Cunningham he's sorry. You know what you need. Yeah, 75. 75. Nice Connor McDavid. And, oh, we still have cards. Henrik Lundqvist. Jumbo logos. Rangers. And we finish with a Diamond Mine Relics of Gabriel Landeskog. Colorado.
Do you need this?
No. Oh, hi. You're back. Thank you. Nice Connor McDavid. These sparkling scripts are very nice looking cards. And we finish with buyback box 1 from the case.
Fresh case?
Yeah.
What's the number on the McDavid?
No numbering.
It's not in 25 right now?
Sparkling. Yeah, it's short print.
I have one at home that's at a 25 already.
Is it a buyback? It is a buyback, and it looks like a thicker card.
Oh, it's gonna be another
Patrick Waugh, 21 out of 50 gold. Colorado.
Another McDavid coming up.
It is no 160 out of 219, which that's not the number. Authentic rookies for the New Jersey Devils. Jesper Bratt. New Jersey is Anthony as well. Jesper Bratt, rookie auto, New Jersey. So there you go. That was round 1, guys. Round 2 will be up on the site tomorrow. Sorry if you didn't get a hit, guys. That was not a bad start for the night. 15:25. You still need it? Oh yeah, you got the green one.
You got me the green one. I need the regular.
Yeah. Okay. So $14.99 is coming right up, guys. Thank you. We'll be right back. Sorry, Jeff.